杖を選びたいと思って来てくれたの。あら、ありがとうございます。とはいえ言うまでもなく、実際は杖が魔法使いを選ぶのです。さあ、杖の番人が皆様にお会いする用意ができました。すごいんですよ、本当に。さあ、ではお入りください。さあ、どうぞ。
行け。そこだよ。
どの魔法使いにもぴったりな杖があります。ではベビーカーをお持ちのお客様からお先にお越しください。
It will choose yourself.
いいでしょう。
Choose the one.
はい、お待たせいたしました。棚に沿ってまっすぐとお進みください。杖があなたを選んでくれるでしょう。
本当か。
嘘よ。
嘘だ。
静かに。
Okay, but I know it's fake.
So I shouldn't buy you one then. じゃあ買えなくていいんだよね。
But how are you gonna choose yourself?
See, Vanya is so quiet because she wants a wand.
No. じゃあお子様前の方行かせてあげてください。
Many thanks for your cooperation. Here,杖か魔法使い選びます。The one chooses the. I sense that you are the next to be chosen. Young wizard, please step forward. My thought. Welcome to Holland's Arch of the Wand Keeper, and we have been expecting you. Oh, young boy, tell me, Sue, is this your first one? Well, please step into the light so I may see your face more clearly. And tell me, which is your wand arm? Migi right hand now. Let us begin. You see, オリバンダの杖は特別選ばれたきっと今日で行うまでをも芯で作られている。そして魔法使いと杖が最も強く引き合うとき、最高の結果がパラサイト。Every Ollivander's wand is made of a specially selected wood with a core of a powerful magical substance. Laurel, with a phoenix feather core 14 inches, a terribly picky one. 激立つには不死鳥お金が使われている。非常にこだわりも強い。あそこにはスウェーデンの発酵の宙に浮かせてごらんなさい。Let's see if you can levitate one of those wand boxes. I want you to wave your wand and to say the spell Wingardium Leviosa. Are you ready? Wingardium Leviosa. Interesting, but 狙いとはちょっと違う。You're doing very well.
What just happened?
Maple with a unicorn hair core 12 inches, a wand of steady, reliable magic, 海でできた杖。真にはユニコーンのたてがみが使われている。頼りになる安定した魔法を使える。あの紙の花に水をあげられるかな？ Let's see if you can water those flowers in that vase. I want you to wave your wand and say the spell Aguamenti. Aguamenti. Are you ready? Well, apparently not the right fit. Oh, as I say, you're doing very well. Balls. Ganz sauber. Been saving this one. The Teoki Black walnut with a dragon heartstring core, 13 3/4 inches. Rokurumi, Ekitatsu. 金にはドラムで心臓の金線が使われている。自分に素直な魔法使いに向いている。周りにどう回れよと自分だけの道行くあなたのような方、この杖一瞬偉大なことを成し遂げるでしょう。Now this particular one is best suited to a master who is true to themselves, regardless of what others think. One who follows the beat of their own drum, so to speak. Yes, I sense you will do great things with this one. If I may, one last time. Right then. My assistant will answer any questions you may have. Now, I say goodbye. It was a pleasure to have met you. Thank you for selecting all of Anvils. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your time in Hogsmeade. Remember, the right one shall always be here waiting for you.
Oh, okay, let's buy you another one. Where's Serena? Okay, you keep that one.
Why am I the only one that got two?